Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics 1, Standard 9th. Topic Linear Equations in Two Variables, Part 1. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. In this video, we will learn what is linear equation in two variables, what is simultaneous equation, what is general form of the equation, and practice set 5.1. Let's see what is linear equation in two variables. X plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x minus 7y is equal to 2, etc. involve two variables x and y, each having degree 1. These are known as linear equations in two variables. Simultaneous equation. When we consider two linear equations in two variables simultaneously and we get a unique common solution, then such set of equations is known as simultaneous equations. General form of linear equations in two variables. The general form of linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are non-zero at the same time. Let's see practice set 5.1. Question 1. By using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equations in two variables. Solution. The following are 5 linear equations in two variables. First, x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 9, 2x minus y is equal to 54, 3x minus 4y is equal to 15, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Question 2. Write the solutions of the equation x plus y is equal to 7. So the solution is 1, 6, minus 2, 9, 10, minus 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, etc. are the solutions of the given equation. Question 3. Solve the following set of simultaneous equation. First, x plus y is equal to 4, 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Solution. X plus y is equal to 4 is equation 1. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1 is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 5. 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. This is equation number 3. Now adding equation 2 and 3. So we will get 7x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore 3, 1 is the solution of the given equation. Question 2. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 5. So here first we will write the equations. 2x plus y is equal to 5 equation 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 5 is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2 we will get 2x plus y is equal to 5 plus 3x minus y is equal to 5, which is equals to 5x is equal to 10 because y will get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 10 upon 5. So x is equal to 2. Now substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So we will get 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. That is 4 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 4. So y is equal to 1. Therefore 2, 1 is the solution of the given equation. Let's say question number 3. 3x minus 5y is equal to 16 and x minus 3y is equal to 8. First we will write the equations. 3x minus 5y is equal to 16 is equation 1 and x minus 3y is equal to 8 is equation number 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 3, here we will get 3x minus 9y is equal to 25. This is equation number 3. Now subtracting equation 1 from 3, we'll get 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 minus 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. Because of subtractions, the sign of the second equation will get changed. So plus 3x will become minus minus 5y will become plus 5y, and plus 16 will become minus 16. Therefore, after solving this, we will get minus 4y is equal to 8. Therefore, minus y is equal to 8 upon 4. So, minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. Substituting y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. So, here we will get x minus 3y is 8. So, x minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, x plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 minus 6. So, x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 comma minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Question 4. 2y minus x is equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Let's see the solution. Minus x plus 2y is 0, equation 1. 10x plus 15y is equal to 105, equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 10. So here we will get minus 10x plus 20y is equal to 0, equation number 3. Adding equation 2 and 3. So after adding we will get 35y is equal to 105. So y is equal to 105 upon 35. So y is equal to 3. Now we'll substitute this value in equation 1. So minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore minus x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Therefore minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. So minus x is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore 6 comma 3 is the solution of the given equation. Question number 5. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 5y is equal to 11. So let's see the solution. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is 0. So 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 1. And x minus 5y is equal to 11. That is equation 2. Now x minus 5y is equal to 11. So we are shifting minus 5y to right hand side. So we will get x is equal to 11 plus 5y. So here we got a value for x, that is x is equal to 11 plus 5y. Okay, now this value we are going to substitute in another equation. So we are substituting in equation 1. So 2 into 11 plus 5y plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So 11 2s are 22 plus 10y plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Therefore 13y is equal to minus 4 minus 22. Therefore 13y is equal to minus 26. Therefore y is equal to minus 26 upon 13. So y is equal to minus 2. Now this value we are going to substitute in equation 1. So 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2x minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 4 plus 6. Therefore 2x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Therefore 1 comma minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Thank you.